is a dead girl. This is a dead girl. Let's play with the bed.
What made that squeaky noise? I'm moving up. Go lock the door. Go lock the door before you squish me. Go lock the door so nobody comes in. Oh God, you're gonna squish me. I hear Dane. Go, go, go.
Huh? This would not be a good bed.
You're being too loud. Like you're trying to do this late at night, trying to get your sexy on, and then the bed starts squeaking. Am I stuck like this? Oh God, it's squishing me. I want to go back down.
Time to go back down.
Bring it, metalhead.
The head's gonna be fun, so I'm saving that for last. So, ma'am, what's wrong with you?
I have a mental disorder.
What is it?
It's called lazy. Alright. It's shaking.
It's a vibration. Okay, that's it. Goodbye.